The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2023 Acura RDX with a bare roof. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Edge base rack system. So this is utilizing the WingBar Edge bars, the Edge clamp foot pack, part number 520501, and vehicle specific fitting kit 145245. So overall you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbar spaced at 27.5 inches center to center. So one reason why somebody might choose the Edge system over the standard is if they want kind of the cleaner look and not necessarily need as much mounting space. So a unique setup for a particular taste. But anyways, it's been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.